Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to buy Ethereum on eToro. If you don't have an eToro account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $10 when you buy $100 worth of crypto. Once you click on the link, it will take you to this page. At the bottom part, you'll see an option for Join eToro. Click on Join eToro. But if you already have an account, click on Log In. Now, sign in with your username or email and password. For verification, a 5-digit code will be sent to your phone number. Once received, enter it on the field provided. Once you're logged in, type in and search for Ethereum on the search bar. From the list, look for Ethereum. Then click on the Trade button beside it. Now, select the amount you wish to purchase. Use the plus and minus icons to change the amount. After that, click on the button that says Open Trade. And that's how you buy Ethereum on eToro. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.